Okay, next shoulder stroke exercise. My partner pulls down, and this time, in the last one we stretch underneath, we made a vertical circle this way. Let's say there's a bit of outward torquing force this direction as he's pulling me. So as he does that, I'm going to lead it this way and then shoot the energy across. Now the setup would be to come in and shoulder stroke in that way. But we're just going to do the first roll back phase, and then instead of using the shoulder, we're just going to use the diagonal. So here, as he's pulling, he has a slight rotation in there, and I lead that rotation. Now, wherever his energy pulls this way, that way, I have to rotate and lead and spiral it out. So it's the setup to the shoulder stroke, but we're not shoulder stroking. We're just doing the yielding part which would precede the shoulder stroke. Okay, thank you for your time.